Y'all, it's Lonnie and welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything mom life, wife life, kid life, and homeschool. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down at the bottom and the bell at the top to get a notification every time I upload a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. Now, let's get into it.
Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to share my last minute fall tablescape and a mini DIY. Today's video is also in collaboration with Alyse Nicole, who's also going to share her fall tablescape with you. I'll leave her link in the description box down below. Make sure after you watch this video, go ahead and pop over to her channel and check out her fall tablescape.
Going up in smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest.
And for a final touch, I'm going to add these wooden pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. I did try to paint them with acrylic paint and it didn't work out very well, so I went over it with some basic white spray paint.
Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
So in this part of the video, you see me gluing down the thankful. It would not stay on that pumpkin, so I ended up using the word welcome instead. I tried about 4 times to get thankful to stick. I just figured it didn't want to stay on there, so I went with another word, and you'll see it in the final view of the tablescape. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video of my last minute fall tablescape and mini DIY. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and click that thumbs up button. And if you are not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!